Dearest, so today I'm going to be showing you how I made this earring as you requested that I do. So this is me wearing it and then posing, and it was actually, its idea came about when I was making this spiral beret turban, and that's the necklace. The necklace, you just turn it around. Someone was asking me, you just twist it around, that's all. It's very easy. Cut the size you want and twist it around. So here is the person that requested that she wants to see how to make the earring and the necklace, and so this is what I made use of. You can see the silver trimming. I'll call it silver rhinestone flowered trimming that I used to make this, to design rather, this beret turban beret turban. Okay, that's exactly what I used. So I just cut two of it. You can see it's long. I think about a yard. Yes, I bought a yard, and a yard then cost 1,800. All right, so I just cut out two pieces. So you'll be needing this fishing line. This is it. I just cut out two pieces, and you'll be needing this hook and what would you call it, for the earring, the stud and the hook. Okay, so you can get that where they sell things to make jewelries. So what I did, first of all, I wanted to start sewing it initially like this, and I was like, oh no, there's something that I need to do. First of all, there's some thread because it's attached with thread. That's how they sew it. So you first of all bond the edges, and as you bond, you just use your hand and press it down so you have no thread showing again, because thread is used to join the various parts, or what I say, like a small rope twine. Okay, so then you take your fishing line. Of course, we're using fishing line so it's not so visible like that, and you place your hook underneath. Is that the hook or the stud? Underneath, and then you start sewing. Now, the thing about it is that the trimming has some holes in it, so you want to take it through the holes and across, okay, like that, and you want to take it in both sides and all around the places you will be able to, so that it stands and not curving to one direction or anything. It's taking its rightful position, standing in the way it's meant to stand. So I'll let you watch and see how I did the sewing. Keep watching and learning. Once you're done with that and you're satisfied that you've held it in all positions, then you start knotting. Now, I did a lot of knotting because you don't want it seeping through any of the holes. So you knot it as best as you can. All right, keep watching and learning. Once you're done, you can chop off the excess, and then that's your earring. So this is me placing it on the mannequin head to see the view. You see how one idea pops up another idea. First of all, the turban beret popped up the idea of putting that stone on it, then popped up the earring making. So if you enjoyed this video, please do give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, I advise you click that subscribe button and the bell so you get notified on my upcoming videos, and then check out this next video.